what is algebra? In this section, we'll look at a bunch of definitions and terms you'll encounter when you're doing algebra. First, arithmetic. Arithmetic is the study of numbers and the basic operations, so plus, minus, multiplication, division between them. Once you start talking about algebra, you're introducing an unknown. So this unknown is typically represented by what's called a variable, and the variable is just a placeholder for some unknown value. Usually the symbol is any letter from the alphabet. Typically X is the first one you choose. And even though we have unknowns, we can still do arithmetic with the algebra. For example, arithmetic on the left, 1 plus 2 is some unknown. When we want to start talking about that as algebra, we'll say 1 plus 2 is equal to some unknown value x. And then the idea with algebra is that you're going to solve for x. You'll do arithmetic when you're doing a calculation, but you're not necessarily doing algebra then. But if you're solving a problem for an unknown, you're going to be doing arithmetic with the algebra. A basic algebraic equation is a mathematical statement where the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. They might look different, but they are exactly the same. So we can use the rules of arithmetic and rearranging in order to solve for an unknown. So finding the value of the unknown x is the same thing as saying we're going to solve the equation. So in this particular case, we had 1 plus 2 is equal to x. We do the arithmetic on the left, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then x is equal to 3. So that has been solved.